These AI secrets big corporations are using are going to blow your mind. If you don't know, these companies aren't just using ChatGPT. Over the past 3 years, I've helped companies for the first time ever start using AI in their businesses. When starting, most companies have no idea what AI can do for them. So if you're new here, you're not alone. I'm going to tell you the biggest AI secrets big corporations are desperate to keep from you. Because the truth is, it's right in front of you. Just look at what big corporations are doing. Amazon is starting to lay off thousands of employees. Microsoft and Google are spending billions of dollars building data centers all across the country. So what's happening? Many people think companies are planning on replacing employees with AI, but I disagree. What companies are really doing is reinventing their organizational development strategy with AI. You need to know what their secrets are in order to stay ahead. All right, so secret number 1, companies are using AI for free labor. I'm not talking about robotic assembly lines or self-driving semi-trucks. I'm talking about AI agents. These are digital workers built to handle all the boring, repetitive work you don't want to do. This is not just a chatbot. It's more like a specialist, a teammate, a sidekick, or even just a friend. This might sound crazy to say, but AI agents love doing your chores. Give it any objective or goal, and it will automate it for you. Now hold on, because in just a second, I'm gonna give you a real world example of how companies right now are using AI agents. But first, I want you to imagine you're going to work tomorrow, and your boss tells you,
"We're hiring a new position, and guess what? You are in charge."
Think about everything you'll have to do from start to finish in order to hire that new employee. It's a lot of work, right? Your boss is wild for putting all that on you. I can't believe he would do something like that. Let me lay this out for you. An AI agent can make this process faster, easier, and more efficient. The first step in recruiting for a new position is to create a job description. Once you give the AI agent this objective, it will then post the job everywhere. It'll read every single resume that comes in, and it will sort through the good and the bad resumes while also reaching out to the top candidates. Then it will automatically schedule the interviews for you. You never have to lift a finger. Sounds great, right? Well, if you think that secret was important, wait until you hear the second. Okay, so secret number 2. AI is actually making managers more human. Here's what I mean. According to the Future Forum, middle managers experience the highest levels of burnout and the lowest work-life balance. Companies are using AI to reverse that. With AI in the workspace, managers are now able to develop human skills again. Think about it. The average manager spends 50% of their time doing paperwork. With AI systems in place, they have more time to actually manage people. This means more coaching, more creativity, and critical thinking. Because isn't that what managers are supposed to do? The companies who see AI as a friend are the ones getting ahead. It's no longer about man versus machine. AI was created to keep employees from being fired. Repetitive work chores are what causes managers to quit. Take away the chores and boom, you have a manager who loves their job. If you ask any manager in the world, what's your favorite part about your job? Nobody is going to say doing paperwork. It's that simple. Here's a fundamental principle that every human can relate to. Creative freedom leads to happiness. Imagine a world where you get to go do what you love for work every day. That's the dream, right? The only reason big companies know this secret and you don't is because they are the ones using AI. The solution is less burnout and better work-life balance. This gives managers freedom to be more human. But if you want to know how all of this is possible, this next secret is going to explain that. So the third secret is by far the most fun. And honestly, this isn't just a work secret. It's a secret for your life. What I'm about to tell you is one of the main reasons why secret number 2 even exists. All right, so here it is. Secret number 3 is AI can turn a regular employee into your company's secret weapon. I'm not kidding. The guy who sits at his phone all day and never hits quota? Yes, that's your sleeping giant. All right, so let me show you what I mean. There's this thing called generative AI. These are tools that can create new content like text, code, images, or ideas based on patterns it's learned. The most common example of this is ChatGPT. Big companies are using these AI tools to upskill their workforce on projects company-wide at scale. And what's crazy is companies are using this on you daily, but you never notice. Think about the last time you had to call customer service. This can be for anything. I'll give you an example. A couple weeks ago, I ordered a package off of Amazon. A few days went by and I got a notification on my phone saying it had been delivered. But guess what? It was nowhere to be found. So of course, I called Amazon's customer service. After a few choice words, the operator had me shocked. The way he handled the situation was a masterclass. He had the perfect response for everything I said. And you know why that was? It's because they were using AI. You see, I picked up that they were using AI-powered assistants that take in information, then feed it back to the operator, giving him the perfect response for everything I said. AI like this is super practical. It can give us some creative touch or escape from mental block. It can turn any employee into a superstar. Generative AI can be used for much more than just writing emails. Okay, so let's recap this whole video. AI isn't just transforming how companies operate, it's reshaping who they are and how they grow. Whether it's AI agents silently taking over admin tasks, or generative AI helping your team level up faster than ever, or middle managers evolving into human-first leaders. And here's the kicker. Most of these tools aren't locked behind enterprise firewalls. They're out there right now, waiting for someone like you to be bold enough to use them before everyone else catches on. So the question is, are you going to watch AI change the game from the sidelines, or are you going to step onto the field and start playing? If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like it, and drop a comment. If you want more information on how to learn how to use AI tools, join our waiting list. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.